back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show is about one of my favorite new tools or toys for my kitchen. This is a quick tip on a slicer that I bought, and I find myself using it quite a bit. It really works well. I'm not sure of the brand. I bought it a while back online, but I gotta tell you, if you don't have a Mandolin slicer, you ought to buy one. You get this base with a hinge like this. It comes with an assortment of thicknesses. The first one is the blank that you can put in, and then it progressively gets larger and larger slices. But I'll tell you, I've used this for potatoes, tomatoes, I've used it for onions, everything you cut with it. It's just absolutely so easy. Put it on. If you have a flat spot, try to find your flat spot. Basically just run it over like this. Put your finger on here to push down. Now of course, if you don't like the size of those slices, you just pop out this, like this, and just go with a different one. Here's one here. See these teeth? These are for making different things with potatoes. Here's another size. This is a different thickness. That's a real thin one. There's one of these here which is a pretty thick one. Let's try this one. Let's see if this one here is a pretty thick one, looks like. And this wasn't much money either. Just like this, and I'm making apple slices for Barb. Save the last piece if you want, or just pitch it. Potatoes. It really works well with potatoes. You got a bunch of potatoes to do. Look at that. There we go. I'm done. There's my potato slices. How about an orange? What's nice is orange is kind of juicy and it kind of lubricates the slide a little bit. If you don't have it exactly in the center, though, it's probably not going to work to the best. And you probably want a fairly thick one on this. There we go. There's my orange slices, especially if you're making Asian dinners. You'd want this for your Asian dinners. Absolutely 100% happy with this product. This thing is great. I recommend it to everyone. That's my show today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.